Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to customize the quick access toolbar which saves you so much time. This is the quick access toolbar. Like over here I have added in spell check and strike through option. This is customized. So for example, if I write anything over here, test, say, and increase its font so that you can see clearly. If I click over here, see what would happen? It will do a strike through. If I click it again, the strike through would be removed. Otherwise, it's very difficult to find the strike through command. It is not available anywhere in these tabs at all. Nowhere can you see this tab. Nowhere can you see this strike through options. See? So we can get such options. I'll show you an amazing option also through quick access toolbar. How do we customize it? We click on the small drop down arrow and you can choose any which one you see over here to have it over here automatically, and then choose more command, and from popular commands go to all commands. Now these are all the options that you can add over here in the quick access toolbar. All right, amazing options. Now I want to show you something. These all options. There is an option to make Excel talk. Let me show you how. It is also again not available in these tabs. Speak cells. All right. You select one and you click add over here. So it will, if you do not click add and just click OK, it will not work. So you'll have to click add. And if you want to take away something from here, you can click, you can select that part and click on remove. All right. Now click OK and this option is up. Now I select this cell. I select this cell and click here. See, my Excel sheet is speaking. And see, that's the fun of the quick access toolbar. And you can add or remove stuff from here like I showed. And you can even have the quick access toolbar showing below the ribbon, which is here. Now, show it above the ribbon here. I prefer it here. You can also, now automatically it will give them keyboard shortcuts also. Now, if I want to say, if I press Control 4, it will send an email. Control 4, and it will send an email. There is a shortcut for Control. Sorry, not Control, Alt. Alt 4 would send email. Alt 5 would do a spell check. Alt 6 would do a strike through. Alt 7 would make it speak. So like I click over here and press Alt 7. So the Alt key and the sequence number of this shortcut is the shortcut. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the number, and press Alt 7. So this is how it works. So now you know how to customize the quick access toolbar. See you in the next video.